close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't.
To concealer right now. I don't want to use foundation right now, so kung anong gusto nyong gamitan, just use it as for your base.
Wanna waste what's left, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Kaya ko naman naisipang gawin tong video na to kasi ang dami kong nakikita na fresh peachy makeup. So I was like, oh shit, ang ganda naman, nakaka you know, parang glowy and stuff. So I was like, let me try it. Tiki ako. Next step is my eyebrows. Just do how you do your brows.
These we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go.
Ang taray ko, no? Hindi naman ako mataray eh. Mukha lang akong mataray. Concealer whenever I do my brows. Like right after I do my brows. So I'm using this one by Maybelline and a brush to do it. Kasi mas maganda pag clean yung eyebrows mo, girl. Kahit saan ako magpunta, guys, maraming nagko-compliment sa eyebrows ko kasi hindi ko alam. Lagi may nagtatanong paano ko ginagawa yung eyebrows ko, and I would say it takes practice. It takes practice, you guys. Next step is powder. So just take whatever powder na tinatrust mo kasi, you know, magkakaiba tayo. Grabe, ang dami kong nakuha. Diyos ko po. Okay, so nakalimutan ko din palang bumili ng eye primer. So gagawin ko siya without a primer. Yeah, gagawin ko siya without a primer. We'll see kung paano siya maglalast. I mean, I don't need an eye primer. Hindi ko naman kailangan ng eye primer ngayon, but hindi naman ako lalabas after nito. Dito lang ako sa bahay. So, gagawin ko is hindi ko lang yung gagawin ko. Okay, first kukuha lang ako ng brush na ganito. Kukunin ko to. I mean, get this shade right here. It's like, itong shade na to. It's called Coast. Nalagay ko siya as a base. Hindi kasi ako nag-eyeshadow ngayon kasi bawal din sa akin kasi meron akong eyelash extensions. Pero, minsan lang naman eh. So yun nga, base. Hindi ko naman. Pero pag may eye primer kayo, go put it before you maglagay muna kayo ng eye primer, then do your... Ano ba yun? Ba't ganito? Ayun nga, base. Ito ba yung... Guys, di ako marunong mag-eyeshadow. I'm just trying kasi na curious ako kung paano pagbuka sa akin yung look na yun. So, I'm doing whatever I could. Next is... Okay, kahit ano lang pick ko, okay? Color right here. That. And mimix ko siya with oh my god, with this one. I'll be mixing this two right here. Ano to? Para siyang challenge sa akin. Kasi never ako nag-eyeshadow. It looks good though. Oh my god, napakapal. Oh my god, is that how you do it? Sumobra naman yata. I'll do it on the other eye also.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
Oh my god. Wait, paano? Okay, I'll take the brush I used before. It looks good though. Oh my gosh. Promise guys, di ako nag-eyeshadow. Oh my gosh, it looks good. Actually looks good. Oh my god. Lalagay ko siya sa dito sa pinaka-eyelid ko. I think it's coming along though. Yeah. You guys, di ako man mag-eyeshadow talaga. So, hindi ko lang magawa ko. Okay, next I'm taking this 3, no, 1, 2, just 2, 3.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Medyo makapal yata yung pagkakalagay ko. But yeah, first time kong mag-eyeshadow guys. So yun. Then lalagay ako ng konti sa dito ko. Itong pinaka-light. Bronzer. Para warm talagang tingnan yung face natin. Eye Essence.
And we'll grow in number.
This pinkish highlighter right here.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah.
Then some like champagne color na highlighter on my cheekbones.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow.
Tapos na. Meron ako ng Sunnies face. I have their whole colors. So, meron pa lang ang eyelash extensions. Hindi ko na kailangan mag-mascara or i-curl yung lashes ko or maglagay ng falsies. So, ayun na sila. But if you guys need to do that, do so. What's up? It's QUEENBURNES. Thank you guys for watching my video until the end. And I hope you guys learned something or enjoyed it a little bit. Because I tried my best mixing these colors. Kahit first time kong mag-eyeshadow and because I never do eyeshadow. Kasi I just suck at it. But then I tried. But I think it looks okay. But yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and comment and subscribe and follow me on my IG, which is QUEENBURNES. And I'll see you guys on my next one, and stay tuned to my Vlogmas. They're coming up pretty soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.